To obtain a Trello API token, follow these steps. Log into Trello Developer Portal. Visit the Trello Developer Portal and log in using your Trello account credentials. Create a new application. Once logged in, navigate to the API key section and click on Create New Application. Fill in the required details such as the name of your application, description, and website URL. Generate API key. After creating the application, you will be provided with an API key. This key is necessary for accessing Trello's API. Generate token. To generate an API token, click on the token link next to your API key. You will be prompted to authorize your application. Follow the instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Copy token. Once authorized, you will be provided with an API token. Copy this token and securely store it. This token serves as your application's access credential for interacting with Trello's API. Use token. You can now use the API token in your application's request to access Trello's API endpoints and perform actions, such as reading or modifying boards, cards, and other Trello data.